I am sprinkling salt.
She is sprinkling salt.
I am grating cheese onto the pizza.
She is grating cheese onto the pizza.
I am mashing potato.
She is mashing potato.
I am peeling a banana.
She is peeling a banana.
Hi everyone! Today I am pouring some water. Now the glass is completely full. This is a simple way to learn. Practice this See you next time!
I am flipping the pancake with a spatula.
She is flipping the pancake with a spatula.
I am grilling chicken. Do you like chicken?